How to delete cameos on Snapchat. Hey everyone, welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll show you how you can delete cameos on Snapchat. So to do that, first of all, open the Snapchat application on your mobile device. Now once you've done that, simply tap on your profile, which is in the top left side of the screen. Now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to tap on the gear icon, which is in the top right corner of your screen. After that, you'll be taken to the settings page where you'll have to scroll down and then tap on the option Cameos. Now you'll be taken to this page where you'll have to again scroll down, and on the bottom side of the screen you can see the option named Clear My Cameos. Simply tap on it and then confirm it by tapping the option Clear, and there you have it. That is basically how you clear or delete your Snapchat cameo. That was it for this video. Hope this video was helpful to you guys, and if it was, make sure you like this video and subscribe to our channel so that you don't miss out on further videos such as these.